Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are to consider this interesting exponential equation here on the board. We are to solve 2m to the power of m minus 18m equals 0. Here, we are to find the value of m that will satisfy this equation. Now I put here solution. I bring out the question down here. We have 2m to the power of m minus 18m equals 0. Here, the first step we are going to take here is for us to move 18m to the right hand side of the equation here, and the equation becomes 2m to the power of m equals 18m. Then now the next step, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by 2. I divide here by 2, I divide here by 2, then here 2 eliminate 2, and I have here m to the power of m equals here 18 divided by 2, that will give us 9, then multiply by m, we have 9m. Then now the next step is for us to divide both sides of the equation by m. I will divide here by m, I divide here by m as well. Then here m will eliminate this m, and the equation becomes m to the power of m divided by m equals 9. Then here, from indices, recall that if you have a to the power of y divided by a to the power of x, that is equivalent to a to the power of y minus x. Then now we are going to apply this down here, and we're going to have here m to the power of m here as a power 1, then minus 1 equals 9. We can also express 9 in base 3. Now we have here 3 to the power of 2, that will give us 9. Then here we can still do something here. Then now watch out, I'm going to rewrite this like this, that m to the power of m minus 1 equals 3 to the power of 3 minus 1. I'm not wrong if I write it this way. 3 minus 1 will still give us 2 there. Then as such, this is equivalent to base. Then as such here, we have here that base equals 3, m equals 3 here in the power. We also have here that m equals 3, and we have minus 1 here, and we have minus 1 here. Then by comparison, we can summarize that m equals 3. And this is the value of m that will satisfy this given equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.